Okay, got a request from a friend of mine, a farmer just out of town. He's got a fence post driver, and he's been having some trouble with it. It's basically brand new, so I thought I would come out and have a look and see if I can help him get it going. So it's on the old 3525 Massey here. We have a rammer up there which is designed to hammer in the old posts. We've got a myriad of hoses running everywhere here, and I'm thinking that maybe one of the hoses is I think they might be plugged in around the wrong way or something. Either that or the tractor might need a new hydraulic oil filter, but we shall see. So I'm going to get stuck into this, have a quick look, see if I can figure it out, and if anything exciting happens I'll record it. Always read the book. Okay, so development. You don't seem to have any hydraulic pressure coming from the back of the tractor at all. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hoses out, take the hydraulic hoses out, give them a clean, maybe switch into the other remote and try that. So here's hoping. Okay, so that was actually the problem. When they tried to hook the hydraulic hose back up, it was under pressure. If you try and hook them up when they're under pressure, it won't let anything back through. Now everything is, it's all working again now. Yeah, see the auger. The auger's working, everything's working. So they should be able to get back to it. Yay, one thing fixed. That's one less thing he has to worry about.